Hi everyone, I'm Fiona. In this video, I will show you EPS seeding tray mold just finished manufacturing in the factory before we export to Middle East area. We use stainless steel pin to get round and accurate hole for the seeding tray. We are using 5 pieces EPS filling gun and 6 pieces of EPS ejector for each cavity. These two are the position pin of the mold, which can make the mold close more accurate. This is our 4-cavity EPS seeding tray mold for 1400 type EPS shipping molding machine. For more information about EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact with us by email or leave your comments below. I'll see you next video.